Welcome to Voigo, your ultimate travel guide. Today, we're about to take you on a journey through one of the most stunning and culturally rich countries in the world, Pakistan. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, historic landmarks, and vibrant cities, Pakistan is truly a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From towering mountain ranges to ancient civilizations, we've got the best places for you to explore. So, whether you're planning your first trip or you're a seasoned traveler looking for something new, stick around to see the top 10 destinations you absolutely can't miss in Pakistan. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Voigo community for more travel adventures. Nestled in the northern Gilgit-Baltistan region, Hunza Valley is nothing short of a paradise. Surrounded by towering peaks like Rakaposhi and Altarsar, this valley offers jaw-dropping views, lush green meadows, and crystal-clear rivers. Whether you're hiking through the Karakoram Mountains or exploring the quaint local villages, Hunza Valley provides an unforgettable experience. Autumn is particularly magical when the valley is draped in shades of red, orange, and gold. Skardu is another northern gem, offering a gateway to some of the world's highest peaks, including K2. The serene beauty of its lakes, such as Shangri-La Lake and Satpara Lake, and the striking landscape of the Deosai National Park makes Skardu a must-visit for nature lovers. The local culture and hospitality here are just as breathtaking as the views, making your trip even more memorable. A city of history, culture, and vibrant street life, Lahore is known as the cultural heart of Pakistan. Visit the iconic Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and the stunning Shalimar Gardens for a glimpse into the Mughal era. Don't miss the bustling food streets and markets, where you can taste some of the best local cuisine Pakistan has to offer. Lahore truly captures the essence of Pakistan's rich history and modern-day charm. For those who love adventure and nature, Ferry Meadows is the perfect destination. Located near the base camp of Nanga Parbat, the world's 9th highest peak, this lush green plateau offers panoramic views of snow-capped mountains. It's a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle, where you can camp under the stars and enjoy some of the best trekking trails Pakistan has to offer. The bustling metropolis of Karachi, Pakistan's largest city, offers a completely different vibe. It's a melting pot of cultures and home to beautiful beaches, historic sites like Mohta Palace, and lively markets such as the famous Empress Market. Whether you're exploring Clifton Beach or enjoying the local nightlife, Karachi is a vibrant city with something for everyone. Often referred to as the Switzerland of the East, Swat Valley is known for its stunning landscapes, rivers, and waterfalls. Once home to a thriving Buddhist civilization, Swat also offers historic sites like the ancient stupas and monasteries in the region. Whether you're visiting in the summer or winter, Swat Valley promises a scenic and peaceful escape. Step back in time at Mohenjo-daro, one of the oldest and most advanced cities of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this archaeological marvel offers insight into a civilization that flourished over 4,000 years ago. The well-preserved ruins, including houses, streets, and drainage systems, will fascinate history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. If you're into road trips, the Naran and Kagan Valley should be at the top of your list. Famous for the mesmerizing Safalmaluk Lake, with its crystal-clear waters and backdrop of snow-capped mountains, this region offers endless natural beauty. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or simply relaxing by the lake, the Naran and Kagan valleys are a heaven for nature lovers. The capital city of Pakistan, Islamabad, is one of the most beautiful capitals in the world. Surrounded by the Margla Hills, the city offers a perfect blend of modernity and nature. Visit the iconic Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in Pakistan, or take a hike in the Margla Hills National Park for stunning views of the city. Islamabad is a city that offers tranquility alongside all the amenities of a modern metropolis. Located in Azad Kashmir, Neelam Valley is often described as heaven on earth. With its lush greenery, flowing rivers, and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains, this region is a dream destination for trekkers and nature lovers. Ratti Gali Lake and the surrounding areas offer some of the most picturesque landscapes you'll ever see, making Neelam Valley a must-visit for any traveler. And there you have it, our top 10 must-visit destinations in Pakistan. From serene valleys to vibrant cities, Pakistan offers a diverse range of experiences for every type of traveler. So, which destination caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Voigo for more amazing travel guides, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.